Hello, welcome back to my office and my channel. If you're just stumbling on this video, my name is Killian Wolf, the young adult author of the series Reapers of the Veil. On my last video, I talked about AMS ads and the campaigns that I made that were failing and how I intended to fix them based on what I learned from courses created by Dave Chesson, Adam Croft with his Killer Hooks and Blurbs course, and a book called Mastering Amazon Ads by Brian Meeks, and of course his Facebook group. Again, AMS stands for Amazon Marketing Services. Now, I've been watching my new campaign for a week, and it isn't doing so hot. So what I want to do now is take you with me to show you the campaign and see what's going on, but also to take this opportunity to show you how to create a sponsored automatic campaign. Usually I do this just to see what Amazon does with the data that it has, and now it has a lot more keywords that I've been inserting, so it has a little bit more data to work with, and I want to see what it comes up with. Let's get started. All right, welcome back to my AMS advertising dashboard. So I just want to update you on the campaign that I said I was going to make, which is this one, even though it isn't doing so well, because I just want to be transparent with you guys. So the second one down here is the one that was costing me so much money, and the ACOS was very high. Remember that we want to keep that under 70% or 35%, depending on your contract with Amazon or your ebook or paperback. So let's go ahead and click on this first one, which is the new campaign, and take a look. My spend is very low, considering that my new bids were very low. I had put them at 26 cents. So I've only spent 16 cents on one click. But this is one click out of 1,840 impressions. I have other campaigns that did better than that. I had more clicks for way less impressions. So that's not very great. There's a few theories. I don't want to touch my new hook and blurb. Not only because I just rewrote it with help of professionals, but because I rewrote it based on a campaign that wasn't doing so hot, and the moment that I improved that hook and blurb, I was getting more clicks. So the problem here might be that my keywords are very popular and my bids are too low. So I'm going to keep working on this campaign and tweaking it to see if I can make this campaign improve. Since my ACOS right now is 0, it isn't showing anything, and my spend is only 16 cents, I can do that. It's better to work from a low bid and increase it than to have, if you have 200 to 300 or 800 or 900 keywords and have to battle and lower the bid on each one when you're already spending a pretty penny. So now I want to take this opportunity and start a new sponsored automatic campaign. So what we'll do is I'm going to do it for the ebook again, promote and advertise. And it should take you to this page here. You're going to choose a marketplace. I'm going to go with Amazon.com, which is the US, and hit create an ad campaign. So here you will see this page and you choose your campaign type. We have sponsored products and lock screen ads. We're going to click on the sponsored products. A lock screen ad, I haven't made one yet, and when I do, I will show you how. But right now, a lock screen ad is really competitive and very expensive. So for the campaign name, you do want to put one. And since I want to keep it simple and easy to choose, it's going to be an automatic. So auto, and this is the Haunting at Paradise House. And it is 2020. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my beginner's ad since I am just starting. Now, you have an option here to put an end date. They recommend not putting an end date, so I'm going to leave it as no end date because if this ad does very well, why do you want it to end? Once an ad ends, you cannot restart it. However, you can pause an ad, and it's better to pause it than to have one that just ended. And, you know, if it was very productive, then that just sucks. Daily budget, I'm going to start it off at 5. And targeting. Manual targeting is what I did on my other ads where I put in all of my keywords using Publisher Rocket. Just for this tutorial, for this video, we're hitting automatic targeting. I really want to see what Amazon does with the data that I've given it now, since I've increased all of the information from when I first started. Campaign bidding strategy. Dynamic bids down only. This means that it will never increase the bid that you put in. It will only decrease it. Up and down. This means that Amazon will adjust as necessary and sometimes increase your bid to what it thinks will make impressions. I am definitely not comfortable with doing this because I've just started doing ads and I just don't have the money to just go all in. That seems very dangerous and risky to me. Fixed bids is if you put down 25 cents, that is a fixed bid that they will use. So it won't change your bids based on the likelihood of a sale. So I'm going to go with dynamic bids down only. And that way it adjusts and it won't spend more than what I put. Custom text ad. You basically make your ad and write down what you want it to say. Or you can choose a standard ad and the Amazon will basically just say, The Haunting of Paradise House, Kindle edition, and that's basically what it will show here. But I'm going to leave it as custom text ad and write something myself. Set default bid. I'm going to leave this at, let's say, 36 cents. It says suggested bid 120. Ignore that. It does take Amazon a little bit to actually spend your money, but if it is spending it, my book is only $3.99, so at $1.20 a click, that might spend my money rather quickly. And in my last, not the latest ad, but the ad before that, I quickly went through over $50 in a little over a week. Negative targeting, I am going to write a few things because my book is not a romance and it is not free. And here, this is where you will write your custom text. So I am actually going to leave my text as is since I am just doing an experiment and I don't want to change it too much because then I won't really know what's working and what's not working. Okay, so I have copied my original. Paste. Slaying a demon will wake her powers, but evil doesn't die without a fight. You'll be hooked by this YA page turner. Now, writing ad copy is a skill that I am not well versed in. Now, Brian Meeks's book Mastering Amazon Ads is great because he does tell you how to write ad copy. He touches on it a little bit. His Facebook group though is phenomenal for that because you can go in and tell them, hey, how does this sound and what do you think about this, and they will give you pointers and help you make the best one. And that's it. It is time to launch campaign. We have everything done. We have the campaign name, ads beginner, no end date, $5 budget. I'm just kind of running you through here. Automatic targeting, dynamic bids down only, custom ad, which we have now done, and launch. Congratulations. Woohoo! And that's it. That is how you make a sponsored automatic Amazon ad. I really hope you found the content of this video useful. If you want me to keep making videos like this, or if you have any other ideas of videos that you want me to make for you, please let me know down below in the comments. I want to keep making valuable videos for you guys. I'm trying my best to upload a video for you every Wednesday. Well guys, that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm for me. And if you haven't already, please hit subscribe and ring that little bell so that you can get a notification every time I make a video. See you on the next one.